Between the lush coastline of the Pacific Ocean and the jagged peaks of the Canadian Rockies is a journey like no other. A journey that unfolds through the ever-changing landscapes of British Columbia, winding between giants, wandering between trees, and told between words, spoken by those who've known this land the longest, taking you from grasslands to valleys, through deserts and lakelands, to waterfalls and mountaintops. A journey through twists and turns, down roads or rails, along lakes and trails. Whichever way you choose, there are no wrong turns on the journey from Rainforest to Rockies.